Hi guys, in today's topic we'll be looking at sum of angles in a triangle. A triangle is a plane shape that has three sides and three angles. There are different types of triangles, but one thing we need to know is the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So when you add the three angles in a triangle, you're expected to have 180 degrees. So this will help us to solve any problem involving angles in a triangle. So this is an example of a triangle having three sides and three angles x, y, and z. So this law states that when you add these three sides together, you're expected to have 180 degrees. So x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. But as I said earlier, there are different types of triangles. Equilateral triangles having all three sides equal. We have isosceles triangle having two sides equal, and we have scalene triangle having none of its sides equal. Okay, so the way we approach this is different in each case. When we have scalene triangle having none of its sides equal, this is very simple. You can just apply this rule and you will get the problem solved. But when we have isosceles triangle, okay, when we have a situation where we have an isosceles triangle, remember, an isosceles triangle has two of its sides equal. So if it is in this form, how do we know that two of its sides equal? There will be a sign like this to show that this side and this side are equal. And if these two sides are equal, it means that these angles at the base, let's call them y and z, are equal. Let's call this angle at the top x. So if this is x, y, z, it means that y and z are equal to each other. So in this situation, even if you are given one angle, you can easily find these other two angles, knowing that they are equal. So you can call this y and you can call this y because they are equal. You can call this z and you can call this z. Applying the same formula, you will now have y plus x is equal to 180. Hope that is clear. So with this, you can now simply say 2y plus x is equal to 180. So if you are given the value of x, you can easily find the value of y. And whatever you have as y will equal to the value of z. Hope that is clear. But also we have a situation where we have an equilateral triangle. So this situation, all three sides are equal. Okay, so you have, so even if we have x, y, z, and you are not given any of the three sides, you can still find the value of the angles. So if x, y, and z are equal, you can simply call all of them x because y is equal to x and z is equal to x. So you can say x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degrees. That means 3x is equal to 180 degrees. With this, you can easily find the value of x. Okay, so with that knowledge, let's look at this simple example we have here. We are told to find the sizes of the lettered angles. Let's look at the diagram to see the lettered angles. The lettered angles are E and F. But another thing you need to observe is we have this mark here that shows that these two sides are equal. And if these two sides are equal, then the triangle is an isosceles triangle, which means the two angles at the base are also equal. This will make our job very simple. So let's solve it together. So we have, using sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. This means that 40 degrees plus E plus F is equal to 180 degrees. So 40 plus E plus F is equal to 180 degrees. However, E is equal to F, right? Right. Okay, so if E is equal to F, we can simply replace F with E since they are equal. So we can have 40 degrees plus E is equal to 180 degrees. E plus E is going to give us 2E. So 40 degrees plus 2E is equal to 180 degrees. So we can simply relocate 40 to the right. And when it moves to the right, the invisible positive sign here is going to change to negative. So 2e is equal to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. 180 degrees minus 40 degrees is going to give us 140 degrees. So 2e is equal to 140 degrees. So what do we do next? We divide both sides by the coefficient of e in order to cancel it out. So divided by 2, divided by 2. So 2 is going to cancel out 2. E is equal to 140 divided by 2 is going to give us 70 degrees. So we've gotten our value of E to be equal to 70 degrees. So what will be our value of F? Remember, E is equal to F. This means, therefore, E is equal to F is equal to 70 degrees. So this means both E and F is equal to 70 degrees. This becomes the answer to this simple question. So I'd like you to try this simple classwork. I'm going to write it here, classwork. Let me bring it down, sorry. Classwork. So find the lettered angles. Let's see your answer. This is H, this is G, and this is 63 degrees. I like to see the value of the lettered angles. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.